Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. As you can see, here we've got sleep, so simply enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What's more, we can set never, so it means that after choosing this option, your device will never black out. So right now we've got 30 minutes applied, and in order to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on the option you like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, let me tap on it, and as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.